Hi, what's up everyone? In this video we are going to talk about the top best camera for food photography you can buy on Amazon. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon. Do you want to know what the best camera for food photography is? Whether you're photographing your meal for Instagram or taking it more seriously, you'll want to make it seem as great as it deserves. It can be difficult to make your cuisine look amazing. Food can be a pleasant delight, but conveying that in a photograph isn't always easy. You may be disappointed with the results if you use poor lighting, skewed angles, or the improper equipment. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on random numbering. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started. On number 3, Sony A7III. Despite its status as a basic full-frame camera, the Sony A7 III is one of the greatest cameras for food photography. It has a high resolution, excellent image quality, and a plethora of useful features. A touchscreen and a 24-megapixel sensor are also included. Furthermore, this camera includes 423 contrast detection points and 693 phase detection points for a 93% autofocus coverage. Each pixel on the screen has a focusing point. It will be much appreciated by a professional food photographer. The AF technology is also borrowed from Sony's top-of-the-line A9 Pro sports model. In addition, this camera is one of the best in low-light situations. After purchasing an adapter, you will be able to use lenses from various manufacturers. On number 2, Nikon D810. The Nikon D810 is a new full-frame DSLR designed for photographers who need great image quality. Its stunning color reproduction and high level of detailization are incredible. This camera can resolve astonishing details even without an optical low-pass filter protecting the sensor. As a result, many wedding photographers utilize it as a second camera to picture macro and wedding cakes. ISO settings have been expanded to 64 to 12,800, with the possibility of going up to 32 to 51,200. The 36-megapixel sensor, without a low-frequency optical filter, achieves the maximum level of detail among all DSLRs. It is one of the greatest cameras for food bloggers who have the financial means to purchase it. I enjoy how easy it is to use, how waterproof it is, how comfy the optical VF is, how many output parameters it has, and how it can function with 2 memory cards. On number 1, Olympus E-M10 III. Despite its modest price, this camera provides an incredibly robust set of features in an appealing and compact chassis. The image quality is excellent, most notably in JPEG. The Olympus E-M10 III has a 16-megapixel resolution and a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 25,600. It uses a 4/3 format live MOS image sensor. So, if you're planning to capture images for food photography blogs, this model is a good choice. With such traits, you will undoubtedly create excellent food photography. It also boasts an excellent viewfinder, single-shot autofocus, and a touchscreen. It may be wirelessly connected to your smartphone, allowing you to transfer photos in a matter of seconds. So guys, this was the video about the best camera for food photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.